Okay. I'm sharing my screen. One to two more might join, so just waiting for them. Please wait. Just 1 second, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Sorry, I was muted and I'm not checking. Yeah. Uh, few updates, important updates I would like to give it to you. One and the most important thing is, so who are writing on June 7th, SAT exam, please message me in WhatsApp. I'll form a group. We'll have rigorous testing. I'll give you many tests. We'll do a review of them. Everyone should be active. Who is active will get good scores. Who is not active, they'll get stuck there itself. You need to be very sincere and active to take those tests and exams. So who are all taking June 7th exam, please message me. And other students who joined recently, I'll form a separate group, but not immediately after 10 days. Unlike 6 classes, we'll have 4 classes in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, something as such. I'll update you the timings. I'll update you the dates, but timings would be 8 to 9 p.m. That is most convenient for many of you. So we'll have the same timings. So who are taking in June, I want to separate them. For them, you'll have completely testing based on the exam. We'll take the test, we'll review the test and everything. Okay. So others who are not taking in June, you'll not have classes for 10 days, 10 to 12 days. Again, we'll start. You'll have 4 from start and you'll have 4 days a week classes. Many more new students also planning to join. I'm getting good inquiries. So we'll join them there and we'll have all the new classes again starting from there. So who registered for June exam, message me in the WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp, because this goes off. So just everyone has my WhatsApp number. Please do message there. Slowly within 1 or 2 days, I'll form a group. I'll start giving the tests. We'll have a review of them. Everything would be done. Seriously, we'll work on that. How we'll help you to get the best possible scores. Okay. Yeah. So okay, yeah. Who wrote the SAT exam? Perfect. Who are writing on June 7th, just message it to me. We'll be thing. If you're done with SAT, next focus on your IELTS. Once you have done IELTS, you can start enrolling with us. First, you enroll with us for IELTS and complete your exam. Then you can enroll with us for your admission process. We'll do what best we can do for you. Yeah. So sorry. Just 1 second. I'm connecting my whiteboard. Yeah. So who are taking exam in June, you should be very active. You should be up to 100%. You should explain the doubts in the class. You should get all your doubts clarified. If you are active, you'll get the best possible score here. Next 1 month is important. So from Monday only, I'll be starting testing. Then we'll have review, testing, review. Review also should do. You should discuss why not this option, why other option, what is the best way to solve. We as a teachers would be there in the class, but more and more you can explain, you can solve the doubts, you'll be the winner. Because I can say with my lot of experience, I have trained more than 3,000 to 3,000 plus students. Easily I would have trained for SAT. I've seen extraordinary scores. Who get extraordinary is the one who realizes his mistake. Average student, he just want to get score in that test. Who just want to get score in that mock test, he'll never get scores. Student, these are the mock tests. These are not an actual test. So in the mock test, you need to see, are you timing the exam or not? What type of questions you are making mistakes? Are you practicing as per the actual test or not? What areas you need to improve on? Such student, and let me solve each and every question. Let me explain each and every question to other who has doubt. Student who has this attitude is the one who is going to get very good score in the final exam. 100% they'll get. No one can stop them from getting good score here. Okay. Yeah. So June students, get it to me. So for you, I'll form a separate group batch. Other students, August and October batch, you'll take exam in August and October. For you, I'll form a separate batch. So we'll have classes after 10 to 12 days. Again, we'll start the classes, but 4 classes a week, 2 English and 2 math will have it. Yeah. So today's class, last class, I completed linear functions. We did it well. So it is done. So SAT math. Yeah, we have completed complete linear function. Inequalities is done. Linear systems. Linear systems is also directly done, but let me cover in again. Yeah, we have covered linear systems, but let me just thoroughly cover. So we have linear inequalities and linear equations. Both are there in linear systems. Yeah, we have covered it perfectly. So keep reading as problem solving and data analysis. This is one topic I need to cover for you. Problem solving and data analysis. Problem solving and data analysis. This is also one of the most important topic. You can get up to 7 to 9 questions in this. And many students make mistake in this topic. There are many students who make mistake in this topic. We need to avoid that. So problem solving and data analysis. Let us see how to approach this topic and solve the questions. This. It is all about analysis. So when I say analysis, suppose assume there are 40 students in your class. 10 of them got 90 out of 100. I'm not saying they're intelligent. They did hard work and they got. 10 of them got below 40. Remaining students got between 40 to 90. So now I need to analyze that class. I have a data and I need to do analysis of the class. Is the student doing well? Is the teacher teaching well? Or where is the problem? If I want to do analysis, I need to have some metrics or some measurement. So the metrics that helps you to solve the given data is all about data analysis, which is in lot of demand. These many IITians, once they complete, they into algorithm trading, what is this? Making algorithms for trade analysis. In this world, lot of money is there in this market. Many companies, they want to grow, they want to invest the stocks and they trade, right? So many intelligent people, those are IITians are not intelligent. The one who earns money like Warren Buffett, he has 400 to 500 good IITians working with him, who does analysis. Not only in many companies, if you take, right, they say big data. So what is all this is? Analysis. Analyzing which stock based on the purchasing, based on some patterns. They analyze what can be the stock, which is going to rise, which is going to fall. All this is analysis, and many strong, intelligent people, not intelligent people, good IQ people. Intelligent are the ones who are making them work. So try to get into these jobs like machine learning, data analysis, big data. Yeah. So at your level, to analyze data, there are few things that you are required to know. One is mean. Mean is also called as average. It is also called as arithmetic mean. Next one is median. Next one is mode. Next is range. Next is standard deviation. Next is box plot. Next is scatter plot. These 7 are most important. There are few more, regression and all the things. In scatter plot only, I'm going to cover them. So you as a student should have good idea about these 7 concepts. Then you should be able to do all the questions based on this data analysis. And this is the topic where students generally make mistakes. So you need to be careful and listen to me. I'm going to take you step by step and cover all these in next 1 or 2 classes only. I'll cover all this. So first we'll speak about mean, median, mean, average, or arithmetic mean. All meant the same. AM, arithmetic mean, or mean. So arithmetic mean is given by sum of the terms by number of terms. Arithmetic mean is sum of the terms by number of terms. It looks so simple, but when you're solving questions, right, you get stuck. And they can give data like raw data like 2, 7, 9, or they can give in table number and frequency. Frequency means how many times it has come. 2 has come 5 times, 3 has come 2 times. If I want to find mean of this, 2 has come 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 times. 3 has come 2 times. 3 plus 3 divided by sum of the terms, which is 5 plus 2. So 2 has come 5 times, which is same as 2 into 5. 3 has come 2 times, which is same as 3 into 2 divided by 7. 10 plus 6 by 7, which is 16 by 7 is your answer. They can give in terms of bar graphs. They say this is 0 to 5. So we might take midpoint 2.5. It might have come 5 times. 10 to 15. Midpoint is 12.5. So please see here. Please see here. Most important, everyone should be careful. I'm giving one question. Let me see how many of you can find the mean of this data. This is 5. This is 10. This has come 4 times. I have another data 15 to 20. It has come 2 times. I have another data 25 to 30. This has come 3 times. Find the mean of this data. Find mean of this data. Yeah. Try to find mean of this data. Try to find whatever it is, you try to find always, not only here, everywhere, be confident, try to do something on your own. If you do something with interest on your own, you'll get expert knowledge. If you do something by force, you'll become average in that. Just 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I gave a question on the board and I'm asking you find the mean of this data. Yeah, who all registered, just message me. Let me see how can I. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I can see few answers here. So see, there are many ways to find mean of this data. Let me see the best way to find it. Find the minimum and the maximum mean. So what is the minimum mean between 5 to 10? 5 is minimum. So 5 into 4, this has come 4 times. 15, 20, 15 is minimum. 15 into 2, 25, 30, 25 into 3. This is 3, huh? Yeah. By sum of the terms, 4 plus 2 plus 3. 20 plus 30 plus 75 by 9, 50 plus 75, 125 by 9. 1 time is 9, 35 approximately 14 is the minimum possible mean. Minimum possible mean is 14. Let me see what is the maximum possible mean. 10 into 4, 20 into 2, 30 into 3 divided by 9. 40 plus 40 plus 90 by 9. 170 by 9. 20. So 18 point something. So the mean lies between these two. So the mean lies between, this is the exact answer. Some of you might have taken midpoint. If you take midpoint, the mid of this 14 plus a, around 16 or 17 would have been your answer. 16.25 or something would have been answer. If you can take even this. So the exact way to do when you have a bar graph to find mean is find the minimum mean and the maximum mean. The mean of this given set lies between these two values. Whatever I'm explaining should be there in your brain. You will get only this, but it can be from anywhere. So you need to be very careful. So whoever taken the midpoint, I told you, right? They'll get this. But the actual thing is, it can be between any value between 14 to 18.5. That is the actual way. So let us solve few questions based on the mean. Only mean I'm going to discuss now. Yeah, that also I'll come. First explain mean each of the following must be greater than. Yeah. Please see question number 197. 197. Please see the question of 197. Sorry. Yeah. 197. Please do question number 197. Simple, same thing. Sum of the terms by number of terms. But you need to be smart enough to read and understand and do this. Yeah. Okay. So 8 students gave me answer. I'm waiting for 30 seconds more. If not, I'm going to give you the answer.
You have to have the right vision. If you look at somebody.
Okay. So see how simple is this? Who solved very good, who could not solve? See how simple is this? There is an online store, receives a customer satisfaction rating between 0 to 100. So you went to a store, you can give any rating between 0 to 100, a big scale. In the first 10 ratings, the store received the average of the rating was 10. What is the least ALS to go in 11th rating so that they able to, okay. So 20 people gave rating from 0 to 100. Out of them, 10 gave rating of average of 75. So what is the least that store can give on 11th? So that the average rating for these 20 people would be 85. So confusing. What is this? So much hell here. No, it's peaceful. So there are 20 people and the average rating of 20 people is 85. So if the average rating of 20 people is 85, average sum of the terms by number of terms. Average is 85. I want to find sum of the 20 terms and the number of terms are 20. So sum of those 20 terms is 85 into 20, which is 1700. So sum of the terms is 1700. Out of them, I know what is the sum of the first 10 terms. 75 is equal to sum of first 10 terms by 10. So sum of the first 10 terms is 750. So 1700 minus 750, which is 950. Not so big confusion. I'm just doing average sum of the terms by number of terms. So if I take 20 terms and if their average is 85, sum of the total of the 20 is 1700. And they clearly mentioned average of the first 10 terms is 75. So sum of the 10 terms is 750. So 950 is left out. So 950 should be divided among 10 people. 1, 2, 3, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Somehow I hate 11th. That is the reason. Somehow this 11th fellow ate this store. So you want to give the least possible score. So what is the least possible score he can give? For him to give least possible score, all the remaining 9 people that are left out should give the maximum possible score, which is 100, 100, 100, 100, 900. So even all others give the, so he can't give below 50. If at all he gives 99, he should give 51. For him to give worst score, all should give the best possible score. The best possible score that he can give is 50. So answer is 50. Very good. Very good. Who answered 50? Perfect. I don't know. Some videos or some messages. What is this? Bhavan. Okay. I don't know. Bhavan sent on something. Okay. So the 11th fellow can get, what is the least rating that 11th fellow can give? 50. He cannot give below 50. That should be the answer. Huh? Yeah. So tell me answer for 198. What is the mean age of the presidents? What is the mean age of the presidents? Be fast and tell me your answer. Everyone. Everyone should answer. Be fast. Okay. Okay. So they're just asking what is the mean age of the presidents? They did not give Trump. Trump should be highlighted here. So sum of their ages by 12. So 57 plus 62 plus 58 plus 58 plus 59 plus 58 plus 62 plus 55. So sum of the terms by number of terms 12. Add all of them, divide by 12. You should get answer. Everyone should do it. While different students are giving me different answer, I think 58.5 should be answer. Add all of them, divide by 12. Add all of them, divide by 12 should be your answer. I think 58.5 should be answer. Yeah. Add all of them, divide by 12 should be your answer. 58.5 should be answer. We'll come back to all the questions. 202. Fast. I'll give only 1 minute. Everyone should do question number 202. Be active and do the questions. 202. Yeah, 58.5. Okay, Lokesh. Perfect. Okay. So X is the average of M and 9. Y is the average of 2M and 15. Z is the average of 3M and 18. What is the average of X, Y, and Z in terms of 3? So average of X, Y, Z is X plus Y plus Z by 3. M plus 9 by 2 plus 2M plus 15 by 2 plus 3M plus 18 by 2 whole divided by 3. 2 comes down, it is 6. M plus 2M plus 3M is 6M. 42 M plus 7. I'm just doing calculations after writing the first step. So M plus 7 should be answer. Students who gave me answer as M plus 7, very good. Who gave me something else as the answer, please check where did you do mistake. M plus 7 should be the answer. Perfect answer, very good. I will do 1 or 2 questions on this. You can definitely do 206, very easy. Yeah, 207, fast. Okay. Dara, Savani, Sahasra, and Shravya and Bhavan gave me some answers. Others also try to please give me an answer. Okay. So Krisha, Kushal, Vishnu, Ardhan, Vishnu Teja, Viraj. Okay. So people have typed me answers. See, please see here who got wrong answer or who could not give me the answer. The mean of the 8 players in a basketball game was 14.5. So mean is sum of the terms by number of terms. So 14.5 into 8 is sum of the scores. 14.5 into 8 is 80 plus 32, 112 plus 4, 116. If the highest individual score is removed, the mean score of the remaining players. So remaining players, 7 players is 12. 12 is equal to sum of 7 by 7. So sum of the 7 players is 7 into 12, which is 84. So highest player score is 32, which is C for Chennai. Please see how simple is this. Yeah. So people are done. We'll do one more question, then we'll move to the mode. Mode is difficult for the people. Median. Okay. So first, let me give one question on median. Median, you please try to 11th question. It is on median. Mean is sufficient. Mean is sum of the terms by number of terms. We did some 5 to 6 different models. Now, please try to solve question number 211. Then I'll explain you how to solve this and give the answer. Please don't worry by looking at lengthy questions. Always read the heading. You'll get what is this all about. Then easily you'll be able to solve. Please, whatever you feel like, you please give me answer. Then I'll explain my thought process. Okay. So different people have given me answer. We clearly know median is middlemost term. That's it. Median is middlemost term. Arrange the given data in an order. The most important thing is you should arrange in an order. Then the middlemost term will give you the median. So some of you might have marked 19.5 as median. Let me see what is the answer that you got it. So different people have marked different 19.5 minus this. So some people have marked 7.45. Let me see if anyone marked 7.45. Yes. So few students gave me answer, few did not give. Students who gave me answer, most of them gave correct. So first we need to arrange the data. Whenever there is a median question, the first and the most important thing is your mind should look for arranging the given data. So arrange the given data. The moment you arrange the given data, right? Where it is, yeah. Arrange the given data, 19.5 comes lowest. Then 21.9, then 25.9, then 27.9, then 30.1, then 35. So middle term that I can see clearly is 27.9. So 27.9 minus 26.95. So it should be 0.95 should be your answer. So B for Bangalore should be your perfect answer. Okay. Yeah. So questions won't look so easy. definitely you will struggle to do the questions. Please see, this is also a question based on the median question. You can clearly say median question here. Try to solve this. Okay. So 5 students gave me answer. Number of states with 10 or more electoral votes in 2008. So there are 4 states with 10 votes, 11, 4, 12, and something he gave. In 2008, there are 21 states with 10 or more electoral votes as shown in the table above. Based on the table, what is the median number of electoral votes for these 21 states? So what is the median number of votes? So actually there are 21 numbers. So please see, suppose if there are 5 numbers, 3 will be the median. If there are 6 numbers, you can see 3 and 4th. So if n is an odd number, n plus 1 by 2th term will be your median. If n is even, you can see n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term. 2 terms will be middle terms. You need to take average of those. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term will be your median. If n is even, n means number of terms here. If number of terms is even, you need to take n by 2th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, and you need to take average of those two. So here 21 terms are there. 21 plus 1 by 2, 11th term should be my median. 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 11th term also will be 15. If you arrange them in order, but you can't waste your time simply writing so many terms in the exam. So the moment you arrange all the terms, you can clearly see 15th is the 11th term. So 15 should be your answer. So 15 should be your answer. Okay. We'll do 1, 2 questions on median. You will understand what I meant to say. Yeah, please, this 199th question, please be careful and give me your answer. Okay, so people have typed me the answer. International tourist arrival in millions. The table above shows the number of international tourist arrivals rounded to the nearest tenth of a million to the top 9 tourist destinations in both 2012 and 2013. Based on the information given in the table, how much greater in millions was the median number of international tourist arrivals in the top 9 tourist destinations to this and the median number. So I just need to find what is the median in both the cases and subtract them. Find the median first. Make sure that they are arranged in order. If not arranged in order, you should arrange in order. It is, I think, small things here and there. So there are how many destinations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 destinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is only middle term here. And this is only the middle term here. So 47.7 minus 46.4, 1.3 million should be answered. So simple. 1.3 million should be answered. 1.3 million should be answered. Next, what is mode? Mode is the term which is occurring most number of times. As simple as that, which occurs most number of times, it is said to be mode. Then what is range? Highest number in the given set minus the lowest number in the given set is said to be the range. Highest minus the lowest. Highest minus lowest number in the given set is said to be the range. Okay. So remaining we'll discuss in next classes. So for 12 days, the students who are not writing exam will not have classes. Then again, we'll start new batches. We'll have 4 days a week. Who are taking June, you'll have classes. We'll have tests. Mainly, you need to make your brain work now. We'll have regular rigorous focus. This should be the last attempt. People are coming with me from last 1 year, many long back. For them, we need to close after this. No more SAT here. I can't go on prolonging SAT with those people. Yeah. So for others, we'll have after a few days. 12 days, but if I send you any link to you, please join the class. Math, if I think anything which I'm teaching is required for you, please join the class. Huh? Yeah, if not, don't worry. Don't simply worry about class. Everything will be done for you. Yeah. All the best. We'll see in the next class. Take care. Bye.